Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekaleva. Today we are going to do the problems in exercise 3.7 from the chapter percentage and average. Here we are going to do the word problems. Manav has a collection of 1300 stamps. 65% of the stamps are from India, while the rest are from other countries. Find the number of Indian and foreign stamps in his collection. Here he is having totally 1300 stamps. Out of this, 65% is Indian stamps. Now we are going to find out the number of Indian stamps as well as the number of foreign stamps also. First, by using these two, we are going to find the number of Indian stamps. Okay. Number of Indian stamps. Is equal to 65% of the total number of stamps is 1300. Okay, from the total number of 1300, 65% is Indian stamps. So, first we have to write 65% as fraction. Then we will get 65 by 100 into total number of stamps 1300. Now we have to reduce the numbers. Here we can cut 2 zeros. Now we are having 65 into 13. We have to multiply these two numbers. 65 into 13. Here 3 5s are 15. 5 here 1 carry over. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 1 19. Now we have to multiply the numbers by 1. While multiplying a number by 1, we will get the same number. Then 5, 6. Now we have to add these two. Here 5, 9 plus 5, 14, 4 here, 1 carry over, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 6, 8. Here this is 845 Indian stamps. This is the number of Indian stamps. Number of Indian stamps. Here, out of 1300 stamps, 845 are Indian stamps. Now we are going to find out the number of foreign stamps. Okay, so the remaining stamps are foreign stamps. So from the total number of stamps, we are going to subtract the number of Indian stamps. Then we will get the number of foreign stamps. Okay. So number of foreign stamps is equal to 1300 minus number of Indian stamps, that is 845. Now we have to subtract these two. 1300 minus 845. Here we can't subtract 5 from 0. So we have to borrow from the next number. The next number 0. So we have to borrow from 3. 3 will become 2. The 0 will become 9. The 0 will become 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 4, 5. Here 2 minus 8, we can't subtract. So we have to borrow from 1. 1 will become 0. 2 will become 12. 12 minus 8, 4. So 455. This is the number of foreign stamps. Okay. Is it clear, children? First, by using the total number of stamps and the percentage of Indian stamps, we are finding the number of Indian stamps. Then to find the number of foreign stamps, from the total number of stamps, we are subtracting the number of Indian stamps. Now, we got number of Indian stamps and number of foreign stamps. Is it clear? The next one, Bikram has read 45% of a Harry Potter book that has 680 pages. Out of 680 pages, he has read 45%. By using these two, we are going to find the number of pages he has read. Then, how many pages should read to finish the book? After that, we are going to find the remaining number of books he should read to complete the book. Okay, first let us start with number of books he has read. Okay, number of pages he has read, that is 45% of the total number of pages is 680. Okay, now we have to write as a fraction. So 45 by 100 into 680. Now we have to reduce the numbers. Here 1010. Then we can reduce 45 and 10 in 5 table. In 5 table 9 times 45. In 5 table 2 times 10. Now we can reduce the numbers 2 and 68 in 2 table. In 2 table 1 time. Here in 2 table 3 times 6 and 4 times 8. So 34. Now we have to multiply the numbers 9 and 34. 4 9s are 36, 6 here, 3 carry over, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 3, 30. So this is the number of pages he has read. Already he has completed 306 pages. Number of pages he has read is equal to 306. Now we are going to find how many pages should he read to finish the book. The remaining number of pages. Okay. The remaining number of pages is equal to, from the total number of page, that is 680, minus we have to subtract the number of pages he has read, that is 306. Now we have to subtract these two numbers. Okay, 680 minus 306. Now we can't subtract 6 from 0, so we have to borrow from 8. 8 will become 7, 0 will become 10. 10 minus 6, 4, 7 minus 0, 7, 6 minus 3, 3. So he should read 374 pages to complete the book. Okay. Number of pages he should read to complete the book. Is equal to 374. Is it clear, children? Listen, from the percentage of book he has read, we are finding the number of pages he has read. After that, to complete the remaining book, we are subtracting from the total number of pages, we are subtracting the number of pages he has already completed. Then we are getting the remaining number of pages he should read to complete the book. Is it clear? The next one, Justin scored 570 marks. 570 marks out of 600. What is the percentage of marks scored by him? We are going to find out the percentage of marks he scored. First, let us start with the marks he scored. Marks Justin scored. He scored 570 out of 600. Okay, now we are going to find out the percentage of this fraction. For that, what we have to do? To change the fraction as a percentage, we have to multiply. 600. We have to multiply it by 100%. Now we will get the percentage of the marks he scored. Now we can cut the zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Then we can reduce the numbers 570 and 6 in 6 table. In 6 table, 1 times 6. In 6 table, 9 times 54 remainder 3, now it is 30 in 6 table, 5 times 30. Now we are getting 95%. This is the percentage of mark he scored. So Justin scored 95% marks. Is it clear, children? He got 570 out of 600. By multiplying this by 100%, we are getting the answer in percentage. The next one, 3/4 of the household work is done by my mother. What percentage of the household work is done by her? Here in fraction is given. We are going to convert it into percentage. Okay. So fraction of the work. Work done by my mother. Is equal to 3/4. Now we are going to convert as a percentage. For that, we have to multiply the fraction by 100%. Okay. Now 3/4 into 100%, we have to reduce it. In 4 table, we can reduce 4 and 100. In 4 table 1 time, in 4 table 25 times 100. Now we are having 3 and 25. We have to multiply these two numbers. 3 25s are 75. So 75% of work is done by my mother. Okay. Answer statement, 75% of household work is done by my mother. Okay. Here in fraction, the work is done by my mother is given. We are converting it into percentage by multiplying the fraction by 100%. Then the answer is 75%. Then the next one, John had rupees 10,000. He purchased a watch worth rupees 5,600 for his grandfather. What percentage of money did he spend? Now we are going to find out the money spent by him in percentage. So out of 10,000 rupees, he spent rupees 5,600 to purchase a watch. We are going to convert it as a percentage. So solution, money spent by John is equal to rupees 5,600 out of rupees 10,000. Now we are going to find out the percentage of money spent by him. Percentage. First we have to write as a fraction, rupees 5,600 divided by rupees 10,000. To convert it to a percentage, we have to multiply it by 100%. Now we have to reduce the numbers. Here we can cut 2 zeros, here 2 zeros, then in numerator, here 2 zeros, here 2 zeros. Then we are getting rupees. Here rupees also cancel. Then we will get 56%. This is the percentage of money he spent. Okay. So let us write the answer statement. John spent 56% of money. Is it clear, children? Out of his 10,000 rupees, he has 10,000 rupees. Out of that, he spent rupees 5,600. Then we are converting it as a percentage by multiplying it by 100%. Is it clear, children? Hope you all understood. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.